Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, preheat your oven to 400 degree F, 200 degrees C. This is crucial because we want our bacon to cook evenly and become perfectly crispy. Prepare your baking sheets by placing wire racks on them. If you don't have wire racks, you can use a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, but the racks help the bacon cook more evenly. Lay out 8 slices of bacon on the racks, making sure they don't overlap. Pop them in the oven for about 25 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they turn a beautiful golden brown and are crispy to the touch. Keep them warm while we move on to the next step. Next, let's get our rolls ready. Take 4 hard rolls and cut them in half. Place each half on a piece of parchment paper. This will make it easier to wrap them up later. If you like a bit of sauce, now's the time to add a little ketchup to the bottom half of each roll. This step is optional, but it adds a nice tangy flavor that complements the bacon and cheese. Now let's cook the eggs. Heat 4 teaspoons of butter in a pan over medium heat. Once the butter is melted and slightly bubbling, crack 2 eggs into the pan. Cook them for about 2 minutes on each side. You'll know they're ready to flip when the edges start to set and turn white. Be gentle when flipping to keep the yolks intact. This step is crucial because we want the yolks to be slightly runny for that perfect sandwich experience. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Once the eggs are cooked, it's time to add the cheese. Place a slice of American cheese on top of each egg. Add 1 teaspoon of water to the pan and cover it with a lid. This creates steam, which helps melt the cheese quickly and evenly. You'll know it's done when the cheese is gooey and has melted over the egg. This small detail makes a big difference in the texture of your sandwich. Now comes an important step: assembling the sandwich. Place the cheesy eggs on the bottom half of each roll. Add 2 slices of crispy bacon on top of the eggs. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. This step is crucial because the seasoning brings out the flavors of the bacon and eggs. Wrap the sandwiches in the parchment paper to keep them warm and to make them easier to handle. For those who like a bit of heat, add a drizzle of Sriracha to your sandwich before wrapping it up. This is optional, but it adds a nice kick that pairs well with the creamy cheese and crispy bacon. If you're not a fan of spicy food, feel free to skip this step. Finally, enjoy your delicious breakfast sandwich. The combination of crispy bacon, runny eggs, and melted cheese on a soft roll is truly unbeatable. Remember, the key to a great sandwich is balancing the flavors and textures. So don't be afraid to adjust the ingredients to your liking. Enjoy your meal, and that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.